In this video, I'll guide you through how to deposit a check online using the Natwest mobile app. Whether you're new to mobile banking or just need a quick refresher, this guide will make the process straightforward and easy to understand. First, you'll want to start by opening the Natwest mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Once the app is open, log into your account with your credentials. If you haven't used the app in a while, it might be a good idea to update it to the latest version for the best experience. After logging in, you'll need to select the account you wish to deposit the check into. This could be your current account, savings account, or any other account listed. Choosing the correct account is crucial to ensure your funds are allocated where you intend. Next, look for the option that says cheques or deposit a check. This feature is typically easy to find in the app's main menu or under a banking section. Once you tap on this option, you'll be prompted to enter the amount written on the check. Double check this to ensure accuracy, then press continue. Now comes the part where you'll need to use your phone's camera. You'll be asked to take a photo of the check, so make sure you're in a well-lit area. Start by capturing a clear image of the front of the check. Make sure all four corners are visible and the details are legible. Then flip the check over and capture the back. Even if the back appears blank, it's important to follow this step for the deposit to be accepted. Once you've taken these photos, the app will show you a summary screen. This is your chance to review all the details, check the check amount, the account you're depositing into, and the images you've captured. If everything looks correct, go ahead and tap Deposit Now. And that's it. Your check will be processed and deposited into your account. Keep an eye on your account balance. The funds should reflect within a few business days, depending on your bank's processing times. I hope you found this guide helpful. Depositing checks online is a convenient way to manage your finances without needing to visit a branch. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out more of our tutorials for other banking tips and tricks.